Hello everybody. Welcome to our channel, Blue Lollipop English for Kids. In today's story we will meet someone very special. A snail that ended up in the rain. Oh, poor snail. It is in the rain. The rain is strong. But the snail is smart. Look! It got an umbrella. Its umbrella is colorful. Is it getting wet? I think so. But don't worry about the snail. Snails like water very much. And besides, it has a house on its back. Are you seeing? I think this snail is enjoying the rain. If not, it would come into its house. It must be a hot day. And the rain must be refreshing. Let the snail enjoy the rain. Soon the rain will end and the snail will continue on its way. See you in the next video. Bye.